Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll down again and localize the option More Security and Privacy, and scroll down to find Installation Sources. Let's tap. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from the website, so from Chrome in my case, let's say. So all we have to do is to find the app in the list, in my case Chrome, the browser, and tap on the switcher next to it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it. You have to be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, especially websites, for example, and downloading anything from them may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So tap on Allowed to confirm, and now the Chrome in my case is allowed to install some content. And of course you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher next to the app and it will be turned off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.